Hey everybody, today we're going over how to make a Discord account, and I'll be showing you all the different features. Discord is the most popular way to play video games with your friends online, but it's also a great way to have online group calls, group chats, and even watch videos together with anybody at the same time. First, we're going to need to go over how to make an account. Go over to discord.com, which is in the description down below, and you'll come to the homepage that you see here. You'll have an option to download the software, or to do the browser-based version. Just because I'll be showing you how to create an account, which is faster using the web-based version, I'm going to be clicking on Open Discord in your browser. You're going to be prompted to enter in your username, so when you do that, and then press Enter, it's going to start to load in. It's going to ask you for your birthday, so enter in whatever that is. Hit Next. It's going to ask you to create a Discord server. This is only optional. If you want to create a new server, you can pick a template to do it, just depending on whichever group you're going to try to make, if it's a club for gaming, just for friends, or from scratch by yourself. We're going to skip that step for right now and hit that X. It's going to ask you for an email and a password to make your account. Once you enter those, you're going to have your own account just like that. You'll see that when you make your account, it's pretty bare. You don't have any servers, you don't have any friends on here, so you're going to need to talk to your friends and get their usernames, and then you can add them. You're going to have to enter in their username and their friend code, which is this with the pound sign and the 4 digits, and then you can hit send a friend request. Then your friend will have to approve the request, and then you'll see them added right here. After that, you can make a server or get invited to a server, but let's try to make our own now, and we'll say it's just for me and my friends. Now, you can add friends by clicking on the Create Invite button right here in the General tab. Click Invite on the friends, and then they'll be able to accept that invite on their end. Once they do that, they're going to be added into the server right here. Now, you and everybody else in your server is ready to chat. You can see that you'll get their messages, and you can respond in an instant. You can also go over to where it says voice channels. This will start a voice call. If you join, and then they join, you two can talk to each other, no problem. During these group calls, you can also share your screen. This is pretty easy actually. You can just hit screen right here, share, and then pick a screen. Now everybody's going to be able to see what you're sharing at the same time. This also works if you have a webcam and you can live stream yourself by clicking on video, which will turn on your camera. Now to really customize things, let's go into the settings. You're going to have a lot of options here, but we can just show you some of the basic ones. If we click on upload avatar, you can change what your Discord icon is. And now this is what everybody's going to see. It works for any picture of yours, so you can really customize it and make it your own. After finishing that and saving our changes, let's click over on appearance. There's a dark mode and a light mode, which is really just up to personal preference. You can also change the font size to higher or lower depending on your eyes. You can also click over on notifications and turn on or off notifications in a lot of different ways. You can leave notifications on for some channels, not others, for certain friends, or depending on the types of messages if you're messaged directly or being referenced in another message. You can also hit push notification timeout. This is going to set a certain time that you won't get notified for messages. Of course, it's also worth mentioning at this point that your account works across multiple devices, so even if you use it on your computer and your phone, there's absolutely no delays or anything that you can do on one device and not the other. You can talk to your friends and group call no matter what you're using. Now that you made your own Discord account, you're ready to connect with your friends for chatting, gaming, group calls, or watching videos together. As always, have fun and stay safe. Thanks for watching.